Hello and welcome. So, the name of our topic is fake news detection using machine learning, and here we have used a deep learning model in order to calculate the accuracy, and we have used confusion matrix in order to calculate the accuracy and give accurate results. So, first of all, we have imported libraries for data manipulation and exploration. We have imported pandas and then NumPy, then other different models. Then we uh, imported the CSV data file so that it can read it, and then it has given the head of it. Then we check the dimension of the data set using data.shape. Then we checked if there is any none value or not. Then we dropped the rows where there is any null value using data.drop na in place equal to true, x is equal to 0. Uh, then we have taken the only the name of the website from the URL, specifying a particular pattern. Then we made a bar plot to count the frequency of the fake and real news SNS using the SNS.countPlot command. And here it has given the result. It is the amount of fake news and it is the amount of real news, which is less. Then we have used the fake news count in order to count the amount of fake news and the real news. Then we have used the data frame command to frame the data. Then we have merged the different fake news and real news. So it is the amount of real and fake news of different websites posted. It is the amount of real and fake news of different websites posted. Then we have used the bar plot command to count and post the top 5 websites which is posting the real news. And similarly, after that, we use the bar plot command to count and post the top 5 websites posting the fake news. And then we directly go to the deep learning model. We have used LSTM and DENS for the deep learning model, and we have imported from uh, different layers of Keras and TensorFlow. And as you can see, we have the imported different pad sequences one hot, and mainly we have used LSTM as the deep learning model. So LSTM is mainly used for the deep learning model. Then we have then it is one hot representation of the words. Then list to stored length of the words in each rows. Then summary, we printed the summary of the word length. Then we have taken the sentences length as 400. Then we have used padding in it, pad sequences as we have imported it. And again I am specifying that we have used LSTM model as deep learning. Then we initialize the model equal to sequence here. Then we added embedding layer to it. We added the required embedding layer to it. Then we use different algorithms for testing and training. We tested and trained the model. As you can see, first of all, we splitted the dataset into train and test, train X, test X, train Y, test Y as specific to TensorFlow, and we have already seen. We need to split the dataset into train and test. So I splitted it into train X, train and test, train X, test X, train Y, and test Y. Then we fitted the model by using the keyword model.fit, and then it calculated the different epoch values to calculate the accuracy by using different algorithms which we used here. It calculated the accuracy, and then we imported confusion matrix and accuracy score in order to calculate the accuracy. Then we predicted it, and finally we plotted a graph for the confusion matrix which gives the accuracy, and the accuracy of the predicted model is 0.95, which is almost accurate to 95%.